I have Dr. Martin Langer with me today, the Executive Vice President Business Development of BRAIN. Martin, do you like to quickly introduce yourself?
Thank you very much. Martin Langer, my name. I'm born in 1965 in Germany, and I studied biology in 3 universities in Darmstadt, Karlsruhe, Germany, and in Adelaide in Australia. And I'm here at BRAIN since 1995. I took various positions. In the last years, I was focusing on business development, corporate development, and investor relations after and during our IPO process. And currently, I'm Executive Vice President, Business Development.
Martin, what is your focus as Head of Business Development?
Well, my focus on business development is, if you like, 2 fields. Field 1 is our tailor-made solution business, growing the tailor-made solution business within the group of BRAIN. And aside of that, I'm responsible for the new product development pipeline of BRAIN, which I intend to grow and to focus in the next years.
Which new impulse could you set leading the team since May?
Well, I took over in May the position as the head of business development. What I intended to do and what I started to do is to bring this business development activities group-wise on the road. So I see it as a whole team effort, independently if it is a business developer working in Analyticon Potsdam or at Biocatalysts in Cardiff, Wales, or at BRAIN in Swingenberg. I see us all as one team bringing business forward.
What makes BRAIN so special for its customers?
That's an interesting question. We have a lot of collaborations done in the last years with customers like BASF, Evonik, Roquette in France, or Clariant in Switzerland, or DSM in the Netherlands, or some other customers in the US. All those big companies do have their own R&D facilities. Nonetheless, they come to us and collaborate with BRAIN. And the question why they come could be a kind of unique selling proposition of BRAIN, which is 2 things. We have a bioarchive in our hands. I call it toolbox of nature, in which we identify either enzymes, microorganisms, or natural molecules for our customers to grow their business. And the second thing, obviously, is that we fulfill what we tell them. We deliver solutions for them instead of telling them stories. And this is somewhat coming to the end that companies like Evonik or BASF come to us very frequently to collaborate with us. So obviously they get what they are looking for.
How do you manage your project pipeline?
So the project pipeline at BRAIN is somewhat the future of BRAIN business and of BRAIN revenues. And therefore we look at it very, very carefully. We have implemented a team of 4 people, the management team, including the board and the head of R&D and myself. And every quarter we get a report on every single program, where they stand on a technical side, but also on a business side. What happened during those 3 months? Are there competitors coming up with similar programs? How do we react on that? What are the technical hurdles? It's always an up and down in the project development, but you have to understand if a certain down is a killer or not. If it is a dead-end road, we have to stop a program and not sell too much, pay too much money on a dead horse, if you like. And this is being done very frequently and very tough. And if a program doesn't fulfill our criteria, it is being stopped and implemented by a new one.
When projects have been executed successfully, which role can BRAIN play to commercialize these products?
This is a very interesting question because it's about being part or growing the value chain of the BRAIN business. If you look at BRAIN from a historical standpoint, we did the R&D, the development, and then we handed over to our customers. The new role of BRAIN is more to be part of the value chain also in the production sites. Looking at, for example, Biocatalysts, this company has their own production facilities, which we are currently about to expand. And with that, you see the new role of the BRAIN Group along the value chain. We are willing to produce the products for our partners and sell the ingredients to our partners, and they make a final product out of them.
What keeps you most busy at the moment?
This is a tough question. So I have a lot of responsibilities in my new job. What drives me very busy at the moment is to optimize the new product development pipeline. In the past, the new product development pipeline of BRAIN was very broad, and I thought that it was too few people and too many programs, and my intention was to focus on the most promising programs. And this is what I have done together with a team, and I have identified a certain pipeline that I will share with the management board, or which I shared with the management board already. And I think we are very close to telling the capital market on which of those programs we put more energy in future, with the goal to bring those programs faster into the market and make money with that. That's what we are paid for in the end of the day.
You have now worked for more than 25 years at BRAIN. What makes you proud about working here?
From the very beginning, was a company working on sustainable programs. We did so before somebody told it to be sustainable. And if you like, our programs, our products that we implemented in the market so far made this world a little better. And this makes me very, very proud on the one hand side. And the second thing is, if you look at the team here, if you look at the people, who really love, who really like working here in this organization, is something which is very special and very unique in industry. And being part of that team makes me proud as well.
Martin, thank you very much for your insights and time. I'm really looking forward to continue this interview series with you in the near future.
No worries. Happy to follow on. Thank you.